The secondary market demand for this RV series is currently very low.
Unfortunately, we can't accept your trade at this time.
They're ghosting your trade-in calls for a reason. It's not market fluctuation, it's a silent blacklist.
If you bought your RV between 2020 and 2023, you aren't just an owner, you are a beta tester for manufacturer's experiment that is currently failing on the interstate and in the bank vault. I'm John, the mechanic who knows how they break.
And I am Rhonda, the accountant who knows how they're stealing your equity. We are the RV Watchdogs.
Look, I don't care what the brochure says. During the COVID gold rush, speed beat quality every single time. We are seeing frameplex at levels that should be impossible. The house, the box you sleep in, is literally detaching from the steel chassis.
That's scary.
Uh-huh.
And this isn't just John's opinion. This is the NHTSA Preliminary Evaluation PE 24029, opened in October 2024. The feds are investigating nearly 56,000 Grand Design Momentum and Solitude units.
Grand Design was the gold standard, folks, but the federal report lists entry doors opening in transit. Imagine your bedroom slide out creeping into the next lane at 65 miles per hour because the frame is twisting like a pretzel. That's not a warranty claim. That's a deadly weapon.
No kidding. Here's the math they hope you never do. Banks use a lever called advanced rate. It's how much they'll lend against the wholesale value. Historically, they lend 120%. That covered your taxes and your upside-down trade.
But the honey badger in the loan department just woke up.
Exactly. Lenders like WSECU and Connexus are slamming the brakes. They've capped advances at 100% or 110%. If you bought a COVID camper for $80,000 and owe $70,000, but the market crash dropped the wholesale value to $40,000, the bank will only loan the next buyer $44,000.
Ouch.
There's a $26,000 hole in the air. The dealer isn't blacklisting your RV. The bank is banning the math that makes your deal work. You are trapped.
It gets deadlier. Look at Nelson versus Forest River. This class action lawsuit alleges that in certain fifth wheels, the main power line from the battery has no fuse, no circuit breaker.
If that wire shorts against the frame, which it will do because the frames are flexing, it turns into a heating element. Your rig can be a fireball in under 10 minutes.
And here's the kicker. A dealer legally cannot sell a unit with an open safety recall. If your 2022 hits the recall list, your trade-in value hits zero until parts arrive. And we know RV parts time is measured in seasons, not days.
That's right. California is a canary in the coal mine. Lemon law filings are up 66% since 2022. It's so bad they passed Assembly Bill 1755 just to stop the courts from drowning.
Manufacturers are admitting to it too. Winnebago and Thor's own 10K filings show warranty expenses are eating their lunch.
They are setting aside hundreds of millions because they know these rigs were built on a Friday afternoon that lasted 2 years.
We aren't telling you this to ruin your weekend. We're telling you this so you don't get fleeced.
If you own one of these, you need a strategy. Step 1, do the frame check. Look for caulk cracks or trim pulling apart under the front bedroom. If the house is moving, the frame is failing.
Step 2, the paper test. Call your lender for a payoff. Compare it to the NADA low retail.
If the gap is over $10,000, do not go to the dealer. You have no leverage. You need to stay put and pay that principal down.
Step 3, watch the feds. Check your VIN on the NHTSA site every Monday morning. Be the first person in the service line, not the 500th.
It makes me sick. People work their whole lives for that retirement rig, and they were sold a bill of goods.
Absolutely.
But knowledge is the only thing the manufacturers can't take back.
Community question. Have you tried to trade in a 2021 or 2022 lately? Did the dealer give you a low ball or the ghost? Let us know in the comment and keep the dealer names out of it. Just give us the data.
Good idea.
Yep.
The full source list and the NHTSA links are on our Facebook page and in the description. Verify everything we just said.
Adventure is calling.
And we must go.
Stay safe and stay smart.
Awesome. What do you want us to investigate next? Tell us below.